Welcome, folks. These dashcam idiot drivers thought they could get away with their road rage until karma struck. Watch the countdown to the most epic fails. Our first idiot driver is blind lane cutter, but this idiot could not see a cop behind him. And bam, karma strikes hard. Our second road rager is a reckless speeding idiot, but an unmarked cop is watching his clown show. So he is getting that karma served cold.
Go get him, go get him, go get him.
Wow.
I hope I see him pulled over.
Yep, there he goes. Wow.
I'm clapping.
Karma.
Third idiot, he thinks he owns the road, so makes an illegal left turn. But karma is just around the corner.
Oh, that's really fun.
Yeah, you're busted.
How did you think that was gonna go?
Yeah, not well for anybody involved.
Enjoy that ticket, buddy.
We need to go forward.
Fourth idiot driver, he was lost, so karma hits him on his head to direct him on the right path. The fifth one, he thinks unnecessary swearing is a common custom. Watch how karma teaches him a lesson. Hope you enjoyed the video.